Hello there, Chiku. Welcome to New York. You're safe now, little one.
Did you see that?
Oh my God, look up there! Is that a real monkey?
What in the world?
Is that a monkey?
I can't believe this. Look at him run.
Oh my goodness, look at him!
I'm definitely sending this
Oh,
home.
he's so cute! Get the monkey, get the monkey!
Look at that. He's really dancing up there. Yeah, get it, monkey.
Look, Mom, he's holding the whole slice! Okay, everyone say New York City.
This is quite the souvenir photo, isn't it?